Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some numerical problems. So we have to look back what we discussed already. In last class, we discussed all these 5 points. Square represents concentration of reactant. Negative sign represents decrease in concentration. Positive sign represents increase in concentration. Minus dr by dt is called rate of consumption plus dp by dt rate of formation. At the same time, we discussed for a general reaction, Ma plus Nb gives rise to the Pc plus Qd. So rate expression can be written as rate equal to dx by dt equal to 1 by m into minus dA by dt equal to 1 by n minus dB by dt equal to 1 by p plus dC by dt equal to 1 by q plus dd by dt. Already we discussed in last instantaneous rate expressions for some reactions. Dear students, we have three chemical reactions here. So we have to know how to write instantaneous rate expressions for these three reactions. For the first reaction, rate of reaction equal to dx by dt equal to minus 1 by t dN2O5 by dt. Here minus represents decrease in concentration of the reactant equal to 1 by 4. This stoichiometric coefficient 4. 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt equal to dO2 by dt. So now look at the second reaction. Look at the second reaction. Rate of reaction equal to dx by dt equal to minus dH2 by dt equal to minus di2 by dt equal to plus 1 by 2 dH by dt. For the third reaction, similarly, third reaction, rate of reaction equal to dx by dt equal to minus dN2 by dt equal to minus 1 by 3 dH2 by dt equal to 1 by 2 dNH3 by dt. Minus, please focus on where I am putting minus and plus. Minus here represents decrease in concentration of the reactant. So wherever reactant is present, we have to mention minus or negative sign. Okay. This is a question for you. Dear students who are watching this video, please try to solve the question, because then only you can get a good command over the subject. Please try to solve the question given to you. Okay, first problem. The concentration of a reactant changed from 0.03 m to 0.02 m in 25 minutes. Calculate the average rate of reaction using units of time both in minutes and seconds. So now solution. Rate equal to minus delta R by delta T. This is the formula of the average rate of reaction, equal to minus R2 minus R1. Delta R is represented by R2 minus R1. Delta T here T2 minus T1. Next, minus. Now here I am going to substitute the values of R2 and R1. 0.02 R2, 0.03 R1. Because look at the question. Look at here. Concentration of reactant change from 0.03 m to 0.02 m. Here R2 0.02, R1 0.03. This is very important. Now substitution is over. So equal to 4.0 into 10 power minus 4 mole, later inverse, minute inverse. Unit is always very important. Unit is very important. So this is in terms of minutes. Now in terms of the seconds, look at again same rate equal to minus R2 minus R1, T2 minus T1. Again I have substituted these values, and in the first case 25 minutes is there, but in the second case 25 into 60 seconds. In the second case 25 into 60 seconds, because look at the question, both in minutes and in seconds. Just change the minute into the second. Now again we are getting 6.6 into 10 power minus 6 mole, later inverse, second inverse. Unit is compulsory. The answer should be ended with unit in physical chemistry. Okay. And finally, look at 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Next question. The decomposition of N2O5 in CCl4 solution at 318 K has been studied by monitoring the concentration of N2O5 in the solution. Initially, the concentration of N2O5 is 2.33 m, and after 184 minutes it is reduced to 2.08 m. The reaction takes place according to the equation given below. Calculate average rate of this reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. What is the rate of production of NO2 during this period? So now look at the solution. First, rate expression, average rate expression. Rate equal to dx by dt equal to minus 1 by 2 delta N2O5 by delta T equal to 1 by 4 delta NO2 by delta T equal to delta O2 by delta T. Next, so now look at entire question. In this question, calculate, look at the question all of you, calculate average rate of the reaction. Calculate average rate of the reaction in terms of hours. Now look at the data. Whatever the data is given of the N2O5, Next one. Look at again one more question. Rate of production of NO2. Rate of production of NO2. So N2O5 is here, NO2 is here. So completely we haven't seen any data regarding oxygen. We haven't seen any data regarding the oxygen. So first we are closing the O2. We are closing the O2. Next, rate equal to, next one, rate equal to minus 1 by 2 delta N2O5 by dt or delta T equal to minus of, delta means change of the N2O5. Look at here, change of the 2.33 and 2.08. 2.08 minus 2.33 mole per liter, delta T 184 minutes. So this is our answer, 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 mole, later inverse, minute inverse. Mole, later inverse, minute inverse. Next one. So finally rate equal to minus 1 by 2 delta N2O5 by, this is not dt, this is delta T equal to minus of, just again put all the values here, 184 into 60 seconds, because average rate of reaction in terms of hours, minutes and seconds. First one, this one in terms of the minutes, second case in terms of the seconds, next case in terms of the hours. That is homework for you. try to solve in terms of the hours. Next, this is the rate expression. Rate equal to dx by dt equal to minus of delta N2O5 by delta t. By delta t, it is not dt. This is also delta t. This one is also delta t. Product now. Rate equal to 1 by 4 delta NO2 by delta t. So from this one look at, now we are going to calculate rate of formation of NO2. Rate of formation of NO2. So this is called rate of formation of NO2. So delta NO2 by this is delta. This one is also not the delta. So delta NO2 by delta T equal to 4 into rate. So already rate is given 4 into 6.7 into 10 power minus 4 mole later inverse minute inverse. So final 2.72 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse minute inverse. If you take rate in terms of second inverse, you will get the answer in terms of second inverse. If you take rate in terms of hours, you will get the answer in terms of hour inverse. Okay. Next question. Ammonia and oxygen react at a high temperature as 4NH3 plus 5O2 gives rise 4NO plus 6H2O. In an experiment, rate of formation of NO is 3.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse second inverse. Calculate rate of formation of water and rate of disappearance of ammonia. Look at the solution. Solution, rate equal to dx by dt equal to minus 1 by 4 dNH3 by dt equal to minus 1 by 5 dO2 by dt equal to 1 by 4 dNO by dt equal to 1 by 6 dH2O by dt. Dear student, here very important, rate of formation, rate of disappearance. Look at this, minus is there, minus dNH3 by dt minus dNH3 by dt. This is called rate of disappearance of ammonia. Please don't involve this number 4. This stoichiometric coefficient doesn't involve in the rate of disappearance of ammonia. This only minus dNH3 by dt, rate of disappearance of ammonia. Next one, minus dO2 by dt. This is rate of disappearance of oxygen. Here no minus, means plus is there. dNO by dt. This is formation, rate of formation of NO. Here also dH2O by dt, rate of formation of water. Be attentive here, very important. Please don't involve numbers. Here 4 is there, no. 5, here 4, here is 6. So only minus dNH3 by dt, rate of disappearance of ammonia or rate of consumption of ammonia, minus dO2 by dt, rate of disappearance of oxygen or rate of consumption of oxygen. Next, dNO by dt, rate of formation of NO or rate of appearance of NO. dH2O by dt, rate of formation of H2O or rate of appearance of H2O. Clear? Next one. Given rate of formation of NO, given rate of formation of NO equal to, what is the rate of formation of NO? General symbol dNO by dt. So dNO by dt. So rate of formation of NO equal to dNO by dt equal to, what is given in the question? 3.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse second inverse. So 3.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse second inverse. Next one. Rate of formation of water H2O. First question, rate of formation of water. So rate of formation of water, we know rate of formation of water means dH2O by dt. So equal to dH2O by dt. From the above expression, 1 by 4 dNO by dt equal to 1 by 6 dH2O by dt. Just I have taken from the expression only. So from the above expression, 1 by 4 dNO by dt equal to 1 by 6 dH2O by dt. In this one, what you want here, we want this one, dH2O by dt, rate of formation of water. So multiply entire this one with 6, you will get the answer. So finally dH2O by dt, rate of formation of water equal to 5.4 into 10 power minus 3 mole later inverse second inverse. Next one, rate of disappearance of ammonia minus dNH3 by dt. From the above expression, rate of disappearance of NH3 equal to rate of appearance of NO. Just go back and check the expression. You will get confirmation. So this is the data from the expression. Minus 1 by 4 dNH3 by dt equal to 1 by 4 dNO by dt. So in this one again, now look at. So finally just cancel this 4 and 4. 4 cancel and 4 cancel. So rate of disappearance of NH3 minus this one minus dNH3 by dt, rate of disappearance of NH3 equal to rate of appearance of NO, rate of disappearance of NO. So final product, so dNO by dt equal to minus dNH3 by dt equal to 3.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second. So students, please try to understand. Even you don't understand, try to understand. Check all the steps what I have written here. Now look at the question. For the reaction 4NO plus O2 equilibrium 2N2O5 in an experiment, rate of reaction of O2 is 0.024 mole later inverse second inverse. Calculate rate of disappearance of NO2 and rate of formation of N2O5. Okay, look at the solution now. Solution. This is the rate expression for this specific chemical equation. Rate equal to dx by dt equal to minus 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt equal to minus dO2 by dt equal to 1 by 2 dN2O5 by dt. Students, look at rate of disappearance of NO2. Rate of disappearance of NO2 means minus dNO2 by dt. This term represents rate of disappearance of NO2. Similarly, rate of formation of N2O5. So students, this term dN2O5 by dt, this term represents rate of formation of N2O5. So remaining easily you can solve, nothing is there. So look at the answer. Okay, it is given in the question. Now look at the first question. Rate of disappearance of NO2 equal to minus dNO2 by dt. So you want to calculate rate of disappearance of NO2. At the same time, what is given? Given is also important, O2. So now from the expression, look at the expression. This is from the expression. Whatever I have taken here is from the expression. This data is completely from the expression. Minus 1 by 4 dNO2 by dt. This term equal to minus dO2 by dt. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one. Second one. Rate of formation of N2O5 equal to dN2O5 by dt. Here exactly term is very important. Rate of formation, rate of disappearance, rate of consumption, rate of appearance. Remaining is very easy. You can solve it from the expression. Again I have taken it. Yes, already minus dO2 by dt. Rate of disappearance of O2 is given in the expression. So just put this value, you will get the dN2O5 by dt value. Okay. So finally 0.048 mole liter inverse second inverse is our answer. Okay students, this is the question for you. Try to solve the question. Thank you for watching the video.